Hi guys, today you're going to make a Jim Dine picture. This is his four hearts picture. You're going to actually make nine. And the way we're going to do it is this. And here's what it's going to look like when you're almost done. I've got it almost done here. I just need to paint in the backgrounds of these. But you can see we're going to make our grid lines first. And then we're going to just draw a heart in each one and fill up the squares as best, so there's just a little bit of room. You don't want to make little teeny tiny hearts in there. Okay, so the way you start it is you take your ruler, you take your square paper, your ruler, okay, and our paper is 12 inches long, so we may need to make two even marks at 4 inches. And so I put my ruler on here. I have my ruler at the corner, so I make a line at 4 and a line at 8 at the top. And then I move it down at the bottom, and I do the same thing, 4 and 8, and then I connect those lines. I'm going to turn my paper this way, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. I connect those. Okay. Now in each square you just make your heart. And if they're a little different, each one, that's fine because it'll give it a little bit of character. But try to fill them up. Then once you're done doing this, you're going to take a different colored crayon, pastel crayon from the bin, and you're going to outline your heart. So this one's purple, orange, green, orange, blue, white, red, yellow, and blue. Okay. And then you'll paint inside each heart first, starting at the top and working your way down with watercolor paint. And then you'll do the back. You'll go back up once you get to the bottom of the hearts. You'll go back up and do the backgrounds. You'll paint the backgrounds with watercolor paint. Okay. And that's Jim Dine Hearts. Jim Dine is the artist. Okay.